touch the ground. This in their car. This in our car. This in our car. In the basketball, this in the ring because usually just get it. He just put it in the car because I just eat the toy. He just leave the stuffed toy.
And then,
Giato ko ato home then wala na ako
may ganaguhong Bulakaw man.
dari
Where is Bulakaw?
dito I don't know.
You forget Bulakaw, your house?
Hmm.
In Naga?
Hmm.
Why you forget?
Hmm. Buboy.
Yeah.
Because that's my new best friend.